How are you? And hope you are doing well. Today we are going to play another 9 matches with high possibility of winning and high chance of safety that allow us to win at least $1,000. So let's start the business. The first match is gonna be like this. Rangers will score at least one goal as usual. Fenerbahce versus Royal Union Stade Gauloise from Belgium. This team will score at least one goal also. Eintracht Frankfurt versus Victoria Pilsen. Eintracht will win. Ajax versus Besiktas. This match is gonna be like this. Either Ajax will win the match or they will draw the match. Praga versus the other unnamed team. I shouldn't play this because it's inappropriate and whole word know why. Lyon versus Olympiacos Perouse. Lyon will score at least one goal. Roma versus Athletic Bilbao. This match is gonna be a very interesting match, and Athletic Bilbao will score over one goal. Also, Tottenham versus Karabakh. We know that, but we'll skip that match because it's very easy and it's ain't a good choice to be played. The other match is Real Betis versus Las Palmas. Real Betis will either win or draw the match. Espanyol versus Villarreal. Villarreal will score at least one goal. The other match is Celta Vigo versus Atletico Madrid. This match is gonna be double chance. Either Atletico Madrid will win the match or they will draw. The total of odds is 48.29 or 30. So if you play it with $150, you would get $7,243.83. Please remember these choices and play it separately. You can choose only 1, 2, 3 matches, no more in a ticket. Okay? Hope you win, and please write in comments any other match you want to play or you want to ask about. It's all free, and I will notice you again. We do not have any other accounts or any pages on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or anything. The only change that we have, the only channel that we have is this. Take care of yourselves. See you later, and thank you.